Hi guys, it's DJ here from RC, and we're going to run the M700 on 5S with a 43 1.9 pitch pop, and we're going to hunt for a new speed record. The speed record is 118 kilometers an hour, so let's see if we can beat it. Alright, start the GPS, stop, read, 2, start, yeah, reading. Alright, let's see how she will go. So as I said, the record is 118. Let's see if I can beat it. Wow, that looked fast for sure. Let's try to stay out of this debris. Signal, stop, read, 114, nice. Already pretty close. Yeah. Alright, let's try that again. Awesome. Man, that thing screams. Let's see if I can get the signal over there. I think that was close to the record. Probably it's too far away. Oh, yes, that signal. Stop. Read. 119. Awesome. It's a new record by 1 kilometers an hour. Nice. Start. Yeah. So I'm running a 5S setup with a TP 3640 2300 kV. Oh, wow. Got out of signal there. Looked like. Okay, let's see how fast that was. Yeah, stop, read, 122. Awesome, it's a new record. Trey Junior, here's a new record for you to chase down. That's awesome. Let's try one more. Maybe try against the wind. Why not? Man, what is that stuff in the water? No. Didn't feel right. Let's go from this side again. Okay, let's see. Stop, read, 117, all right. So the Lipo already lost its initial juice. But man, it's still fast. Oh, it's quit. Maybe it's the Lipo. Yeah, I think it's just empty. That was an awesome run.